To begin your modding process of the PlayStation 2, you're going to need this SATA to USB adapter to connect to your SATA drive to your laptop or PC. You will also need this network adapter. I will have a link in the description. It's about 20 to 25 bucks for it. And the last thing, the most important, is this free McBoot memory card for the PS2. Now, you can get away by putting files on the SATA, but I haven't done that, nor have taken the time on my way to learn how to do it, so I won't be showing that in this video, but I will show you what to do once you have this card input into your system. The USB to whatever you're using, you go on your screen, you're gonna download the link in the description, the HDL batch installer. Once you do download it, you want to scroll down, you're going to run both the HDL and the batch installer as administrators. Do that, and then once you get this screen, it's going to run some code, and then it will pop up with this white window right here. Now on here, you can search if yours is already formatted. Now mine, this drive is already formatted, so I hit search, automatically popped up. Now for majority of people, it's not going to pop up, so you hit main. This is the drives being shown on your desktop, by the way. See, HD2 is my third drive because I have two inside, and this is the external one. So you want to hit format HD once you get it. I'll just format this one because I have another one. So once you format it, it's going to ask you a couple times. Let it load. It's going to take a second. I'll come back to you guys when it's done, or not. It's done already. Okay. Now there we go. That's how you format it. Now when you pop up, boom. See, the drive is right there, 0 space. That's how much we have used, how much we have left. Now after you found a way to legally obtain your games, you want to make a folder consisting of all the games you want, like I have. So it's all the games I'm gonna have downloaded. Now all these games won't fit on this drive, but this is just for example. I'm working with 160 gigabytes, but it goes down to 147 at the end. So you want to hit search games. After hitting this, you scroll down to your folder or wherever it's located. So if yours is on your disk, mine's downloads too. Open it. Now select the games you want. Select all of them like that by holding the left click and scrolling down. I'm just gonna select 50 Cent. You hit open. Now it's gonna show up like this. To install the game to your hard drive, you press this button. Now you wait for the install. It may look like it's gonna crash, or it may look like it's not loading. You're gonna get this little fucking the little timer right here. It's just loading and it's downloading it, and I'll be back to you guys once it's finished. Okay, welcome back. It's just now finished installing my 50 Cent game. So you hit browse and you think, where my game at? Hit browse, get list, boom, 50 Cent bulletproof. That's the size of it. That's the ID showing what media format it's in. It's DVD. Now for the next step, for you to actually play this, you want to unplug it. Everything's gonna be fine. Everything's gonna be fine. It could have done a little better. And put it into the system, which I'm gonna show you. Okay, so now after taking this off, yours would just be like this. You want to make sure you take the little protective seal that's gonna be on here, a little plastic piece. This is a GameStar. You get this on Amazon for 20 to 25 bucks. This is my drive with 500 gigs. This is what I was using just now to show you guys demonstrated, but this is what my actual games are on. So you put it on here. It's gonna simply just slide on. There you go, just like that. Now you take your system, the PS2 Fat. This will only work with a PS2 Fat due to the case that it has this port in the back and this space. PS2 Slim will have to be modded via USB, which I'll make a video on once I obtain a PS2 Slim. So now all you want to do is take it, just feed it into the back. You know, make sure it's lined up. Get whatever screwdriver you're using, and then just screw it in as shown. Okay, so here is now the free boot version 1.953. I know it's outdated, but here's it running on the system. Now, to open your games, go to the OPO folder, or OPO menu option, I should say. Let it load. It does take some time to load. Not some time, but a little bit. A little inconvenient at times. Definitely taking a minute. Jeez. It might just be to the sheer amount of games I have on this one. This is a 500 gig drive. Okay, here we go. As you can see, all my games are now straight on here. This is like a Japanese translation of Berserk, the PS2 game. That one came out in Japan. There is a bunch of games, a bunch. And if you want, you can put your game simply on a USB drive and format it using the HDL batch installer and load it through your USB on the PS2, but it's USB 1.0, so it's very slow and can cause some slow run times, like loading screen, and so a few errors, but nothing too crazy. So if you really want to, you can get away with that. But as you can see, all my games are downloaded. And let's see, for this video, let's go to Manhunt 2, the game I wanted to get, but it's kind of hard getting it physically without paying a little upcharge, so it's definitely nice to have on a modded system for free. Let's load it. I will say, it does that little flash, and then you instantly load into the game. It's a lot faster than putting a disc inside the PlayStation and letting it boot up and run. Like, we're already in the game, which is very crazy. So that's how you mod a PS2 using a SATA drive. If you guys need any help or any other recommendations for modding stuff, let me know in the comments. I've modded plenty of other consoles. I might not be the best at wording my experience or wording for help, but I can definitely put in as much effort as I can possibly do to make sure you get the same results with your software. Thank you guys for watching this video, and let's see what the gameplay is looking like. Let's let it load up. Now, if you're using a USB drive, it would be taking a little bit longer to load up, is what I've read. And it would make sense since the USB 1.0 is very old. That was a little audio glitch. A little audio bugging. The game is running good. Looks like it's running at solid, not solid 60, but almost. But okay, there's the game. Hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good day and good luck modding your system.